Football lovers, sanibonani. Welcome to PK Sports with Bonginkosi. Thembe ukuthi ni kahle, niyaphila. Danko. Abaqinisile uma bethi isikhuni sibuya ngomkhwezeli. Because last time coach was complaining about Kaizer Chiefs having a tight schedule. Manje sekuyi Chiefs engadlali the whole week. Don't know ukuthi base traumatized ukuthi baphumile ku CAF Confederation, but you all know the game was postponed. But now my friends Orlando Pirates are making fun of each Chiefs. They are saying, hey, what to cause into ayenzayo naye. But cause the way ayenza ngakhona ufuna Chiefs win league, why bangadlali? Hey, yabo ukuthi at some point you must be mindful of the things that you say to the public, because isobuya kuwe futhi induku zakho. Kodwa sikho lapho. Kaizer Chiefs, they've been secretive about indaba enkulu about a goalkeeper, an international goalkeeper. There's a goalkeeper that is being assessed by Kaizer Chiefs. He's on trial. He goes by the name of Sandro Noah. He hails from Germany, a Frankfurt. We know that there's a team called Frankfurt Lapana in Germany, and there's a goalkeeper, Emmanuel Noah. So, simply means that Kaizer Chiefs are now weighing the options to say, okay, since we are making sure that our youth structures are the future of the senior team. So they are trying everything possible to make sure that they supply the youth structures with top talent players after securing a signature Xhosa Manyama, and Ubawaz naye ngasikudala he was secured. So now it's all about ukuthi they are looking at a goalkeeper. This goalkeeper is 18 years old. Nama stats nje engawatholisisi lapho ukuthi amiswe kanjani, because they say ukuthi he played 27 games and kept 25 clean sheets and conceded 3 goals. Simply means you should call a game a consider 2 goals or consider 3 goals in one game, because imethi yakhona ihlangani kahle. But yena when they describe him, it's like he's a top quality goalkeeper, because you know very well with Kaizer Chiefs, when it comes to sporting talent, they are good, but they fail to use it in their own advantage. That's why now we feel like we are being exploited in terms of our players. Look at Abu Ditejana, look at Abu Ndaman, look at Abu Mdak. But this goalkeeper Moti Ampega, his demeanor iyodwa tells a lot about him. Height-wise, you can tell niyayibonela nani. But now the thing is, if Chiefs are willing to invest so much in such a goalkeeper, are they going to invest for him so that he can also become part of the senior team, or it's only for the youth structures? Because we know very well Guti ku reserve team, there's Naptali Mukwena, there's Utakalani Mazwamba, there's Unkosi, another goalkeeper, and there's this other one, I forgot his name, goalkeeper now, number 4, he's a colored. So just imagine adding the 5th goalkeeper. And we know very well that when a chance avails itself, they do promote a goalkeeper, but the chances of making it are very rare. Kwagcina ngabo Itumeleng Mkhune, even no Prosovoma. But for Ubuntle Molefe, agaza itoli chance, no Peters na agaza itoli chance, not to Riyad Peters, the one Ogumamlu Sundowns, but there was another one that was promoted in Prosovoma with a tenor of Atazwan. So now one thing for sure I'm confused about with, okay, let's say Naye he will get a run with senior team. Looking at his age, is still a long way for him to go, because you know very well Guti, for an international goalkeeper must come already made, already and ready made, because we know very well that as a goalkeeper you mature with time. The more you grow, the more mature you become. For many goalkeepers, we can attest to that. But now that is from Germany, it simply means Guti, he'll have an edge over other goalkeepers in terms of European experience. But that won't work on his favor if what is required from a shortstopper to be done is not giving Kaizer Chiefs. Because I believe very well Guti, Kaizer Chiefs, when there's an opportunity for them to make money comes their way, they make sure Guti, they use it. Because they might keep him if they decide Guti, they're gonna give him a contract, and then he'll showcase himself, and then his value will grow gradually. And that simply means that Kaizer Chiefs can stand a chance of selling him to the highest bidder. Who knows? Maybe they can offload Ntwari and give him a shot within a team. Because there's no way which you can go all the way from Germany just to see who to goalkeeper Petelini compared to the ones that you have. So it simply means that it's all about financial purposes for Kaizer Chiefs. But we'll never know because zimo zonke zehlekela abantu emhlabeni. Let's talk about indaba ka Thabo Cele, as it was announced ukuthi ubuyile ku injury. And we saw ama videos ukuthi his training, including Ox, including Cross. So now the question is, when Ox returns back from injury, when Cele fully recovers, what will the co-coaches do in that middle of the park? Are they going to drop Umaboy for Ox, or they'll push Umaboy to an advanced position with Odlala as a number 10 or as a number 8? Same with Ucele, because there was rumor ukuthi he's not obeying instructions of the coaches, he's questioning their tactics, of which even by now I'm not sure ukuthi that is true or not, because every time these rumors, when they get out of the public there, to Kaizer Chiefs fans, they spark something ukuthi babe concerned about the dressing room. Because there was also another one of Gaston Sereno being said ukuthi he wasn't comfortable training, he didn't want to train. So we can see ukuthi it's all about good now. If ever le ndaba lezi zikuthola vele usesimene esingekho right, uzokholwa. And mase ukholwa kanje uyathatheka, uba frustrated, uvukulaka, senze into wrong. Nina ngiyibona kanjani? Because this thing now, it simply means ukuthi the co-coaches bazoba ne-stress of selection we-match day squad. Yes, Ox, we know very well ukuthi uhambe bekadlala and wamoshwa injury, but he was able to guard the back four. Umaboy, he's able to make sure ukuthi the team is balanced, but he fails kwamanye ama departments because at some point the also back four becomes exposed in his watch. The only reason he's playing there is because of his experience and comfortability on the ball. But natural is not a defensive midfielder. There's also Thabo Cele. So now you can see that it will become difficult for the co-coaches to make a selection with who will be in the starting 11. And depending on an opponent it needs the co-coaches to know that this is a kind of player that we need in order for us to win this game. I believe and hope that Ox uzobuya as an improved player in terms of progression in football. And Umaboy usayibambe kahle le yandishi, but he's not a natural defensive midfielder. He doesn't have the defense mechanism that is required to have as a defensive midfielder. Because even that second goal of Zamalek, it was because of his mistake, and then they made sure ukuthi they punish us. But amanye ama-conversations, we are not ready for them because their agenda is based on certain individual, not our favorite players. So bonana kwivideo elandelayo. Thank you for watching and making it this far on the video. Ikhosi aliphele umoya. Danko.